Hello everyone, welcome to the listening dictation practice. Today, we will be practicing dictation about Tet, the Vietnamese Lunar New Year.
The Vietnamese Lunar New Year, known as Tet, is the most important celebration in Vietnam. It marks the arrival of spring based on the lunar calendar. Tet is a time when families come together to honor their ancestors, celebrate the past year, and welcome a new beginning filled with hope and prosperity. Weeks before Tet, families clean their homes thoroughly to get rid of bad luck and invite good fortune in the new year. They decorate their homes with peach blossoms, kumquat trees, and red banners. These items symbolize luck, happiness, and prosperity. Preparing special foods is also an essential part of the Tet preparations. Traditional dishes like bánh chưng and bánh tét are made, representing the earth and sky, and are a must-have on the family altar. Tet is also a time for families to gather and enjoy traditional foods. Among the most popular are bánh chưng and bánh tét. These are sticky rice cakes filled with meat or beans and wrapped in banana leaves. The square bánh chưng symbolizes the earth, while the cylindrical bánh tét represents the sky. Other dishes include pickled onions, dried bamboo soup, and various types of spring rolls. Each dish holds cultural significance and reflects the rich culinary heritage of Vietnam. On New Year's Eve, families hold a ceremony to welcome the ancestors back home. They set up an altar with offerings such as fruits, sweets, and incense to honor their ancestors. This is a time to remember and pay respects to the deceased family members. The eve is also marked by the Tat Nien meal, where the family gathers to enjoy the last meal of the old year together, signifying unity and the importance of family bonds. The first day of Tet is reserved for the nuclear family. Children receive red envelopes containing money, known as lì xì, which is believed to bring good luck and prosperity for the new year. Elders are given the highest respect, and their blessings are sought for health and success. Families often visit temples to pray for a prosperous year and engage in various traditional games and activities. During Tet, people visit friends and relatives, exchanging New Year's wishes and sharing meals. It is also common to participate in various traditional games and activities. Lion dances, fireworks, and dragon dances are vibrant displays that bring joy and excitement to the festivities. Tet is a time of joy, renewal, and the hope for a prosperous year ahead. Thank you for joining our listening dictation practice. We hope you enjoyed learning about Tet.
Hãy like và đăng ký kênh để nhận thêm nhiều video hữu ích khác nhé.